Have you ever felt like your world is crumbling when the person you love decides to leave? The pain of being left behind can be overwhelming. But listen, here's the truth: she might have made a hasty decision. You're at a crucial place, a place where pain turns into strength. Don't worry, you're not alone. We understand that feeling of emptiness, of not having clear answers as to why she left. But today, I'm going to show you a path to empowerment, towards a change that will make her question her choice. I know the pain of being abandoned by someone you love can be heart-wrenching. But listen, this isn't the whole story. We know she left without giving solid explanations, leaving you with more questions than answers. But what if I told you that you have the power to change that scenario? It's time to awaken the leader within you, to let the lions roaring inside your heart. By the end of this journey, you'll know how to make her beg for a second chance, how to make her regret her decision to lose you. Without further ado, let's begin. Number 8. Break the cycle. The first step to make her regret is to stop giving undeserved attention. If you keep giving attention, you'll only stay stuck in an unhealthy friend zone. Another year like this will only result in more pain and humiliation. It's vital to preserve your self-esteem and values. There's nothing more painful than being ignored after honestly expressing your feelings. Some might misinterpret you as someone unable to stand up for themselves. Even if you find yourself in situations where you have to see her regularly, distance yourself. Don't let her presence affect your inner peace and show that her influence on your life is minimal. Maintain your boundaries. If maintaining professional relationships is unavoidable, do so but with caution. Don't let her think you still feel something for her. Don't feel obligated to do her favors if she asks. These are just some of the boundaries you must clearly establish. Number 7. Disappear. Try to become invisible in her eyes. By invisibility, I'm not asking you to magically disappear. Being invisible means cutting all contact. Avoid talking to her, don't respond to her messages or calls. Don't give her the chance to get close to you. If she suggests a meeting, politely decline. Maintain a certain mystery around your life since you used to spend a lot of time together. Now, she'll surely want to know what you're up to, try to contact you, and find out about your life. Your goal is to ensure that information doesn't reach her. Stay firm in becoming invisible in her eyes. If possible, take some time away, whether by traveling for a while or simply disconnecting from social activities. This space will allow you to heal and avoid uncomfortable situations. Number 6. Transform the situation. Don't just sit on the couch feeling down. It's normal to feel sadness after a breakup, but you know what? This situation can be an opportunity to grow. Becoming a better version of yourself is the best way to make your ex regret leaving you. Channel that negative energy into self-improvement. Work on your health and well-being. Consider going to the gym, get your body in shape. Use this free time to improve your skills and find ways to generate additional income. Invest your time and resources in things that make you grow as a person. Don't let the pain consume you. Be proactive in turning this situation into a growth opportunity. Number 5. Date someone who values you. The best thing you can do is to date someone who values and appreciates who you are. As you become a better version of yourself, you'll notice a change. Valuable men attract equally valuable women. They're often highly sought after and attractive individuals. When you become a better version of yourself, you'll draw the attention of people who see your true worth. It's not about comparing your ex to other women, but about finding someone who values you for who you truly are. By doing so, she'll realize how special you are and regret losing someone as valuable as you. Number 4. Find pleasure in the present. What will you gain by plunging into sadness and staying at home? The truth is, you'll gain nothing by following that path. Now you have the opportunity to enjoy, understand that you're not limited. Seize this moment to catch up on series and video games that you couldn't fully enjoy before. Try to live more, find joy in the little things. Previously, when you were in a relationship, perhaps you couldn't fully enjoy your hobbies due to time demands. Now is the time to reclaim those interests. Dedicate time to activities that bring you gratification and help you feel good about yourself. Number 3. Share with the right people. It's important to share your achievements with the right people. Making the mistake of boasting in front of the wrong person can complicate things. For instance, many men make the mistake of boasting in front of their ex, which is something you should avoid. If you decide to share your accomplishments with your ex, do it subtly. Avoid the need to openly recount everything you've achieved since the breakup. While it might seem gratifying, we recommend something even more enriching. Feel free to share your accomplishments on your social media, like Instagram, showcasing your achievements and experiences after the separation. However, refrain from directly boasting in front of her, as she might interpret that her departure deeply affected you. Being discreet when sharing your achievements is a way to protect your privacy and avoid misunderstandings. Number 2. Avoid idealizing her. It's crucial for her to regret leaving you. This mindset can be key to overcoming this moment. Many men fall into the trap of idolizing their ex-partner, thinking she was the perfect woman. However, the truth is different. If she were the right one, she would have stayed by your side, supporting you in tough times. Her decision to leave is a clear sign that she wasn't the right person for you. Don't be discouraged. The world is full of wonderful women from different backgrounds, women who would appreciate your company and create a special bond with you. Break away from the idea that she was the only option. Open your heart to new connections and opportunities. Number 1. Details matter. Your main goal should be to preserve your self-esteem. Use all available tools to uplift yourself. Dress elegantly and attend events where she might be present. By doing so, you'll show that her decision hasn't affected your confidence or worth. Presenting yourself well-dressed will make her realize what she has lost, that you have evolved and remain a valuable man. Additionally, by attracting the attention of other women, she'll realize that you're a man of great worth and that others are interested in you. Over time, she'll understand that her choice was a mistake as she sees you succeed, and she'll regret leaving you. We understand the pain a breakup can cause. Getting over someone you imagined sharing your entire life with is an overwhelming challenge. There are no words that can ease the pain you feel right now. But listen, this moment of darkness doesn't define your life or your worth as a person. Despite the pain, it's vital to remember that you deserve to live life to the fullest. Seize this moment as an endless source of strength. Don't succumb to the pain, use it as a driving force to rebuild yourself. It's natural to want her to regret making that decision. Follow these principles we've shared with you. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. These processes take time, but we assure you they'll work. Healing is a journey, and though it may be challenging at first, you'll find your way to inner peace and personal renewal. This is your journey, your chance to grow and demonstrate your strength. If you've been through a breakup that has marked you, I invite you to share your experience in the comments. And before you go, I want to invite you to watch the next video, where you'll discover what the next step is if a woman has rejected you. I'm sure it will surprise you. Thank you for being part of this community, and if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe. See you, Supreme.